Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we have an exciting countdown lined up for you. We're diving into the world of thread repair kits, showcasing the best-selling products on Amazon. So let's get started. In at number 5 we have introducing the remarkable Horasty 131-piece metric helicoil thread repair kit. Ranked number 5 in our countdown of the best-selling thread repair kits on Amazon, this kit is a powerhouse of precision and durability, designed to breathe new life into damaged threads. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Horasty Thread Repair Kit is your go-to solution for engine repair and a myriad of other automotive applications. Imagine holding a complete set of 131 professional-grade pieces, each crafted to exacting standards. From the robust HSS taps and drills available in sizes M5, M6, M8, M10, and M12, to the dual insert tools and plentiful thread inserts for each size, this kit has everything you need. Picture this. You're working on a critical repair job, and you need reliable tools that are easy to access and organize. The Horasty kit comes in a sleek steel carrying case that's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and convenience. This sturdy case keeps every tool in its place, ensuring you can quickly locate and use what you need without a hitch. Durability? Check. The high-quality materials used in the Horasty Thread Repair Kit ensure that each component is built to last. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic amateur mechanic, you'll find these tools are engineered for ease of use, offering a seamless repair experience. Think about the savings. With this kit, you can repair or replace damaged or stripped internal screw threads efficiently, sparing you the expense of buying new parts. It's a cost-effective solution that pays for itself in no time, making it a smart addition to any mechanic's toolbox. In essence, the Horasty 131-piece metric helicoil thread repair kit is an indispensable asset. It's not just about repairing threads, it's about restoring confidence in your work, knowing you have the right tools at your disposal to get the job done swiftly and effectively. For any mechanic, professional or amateur, this kit is a game changer, a must-have that promises to keep your projects on track and your tools in top-notch condition. Don't just take our word for it. Discover the unparalleled convenience and reliability of the Horasty Thread Repair Kit and elevate your repair game to a whole new level. Let's dive into the superb number 4 on our list of best-selling thread repair kits on Amazon, the 150-PC Helicoil Thread Repair Kit. This kit is a dream come true for anyone needing to restore stripped, damaged, or worn internal threads with utmost ease and efficiency. Imagine having at your fingertips a complete set designed to tackle your toughest rethreading challenges. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: high-speed steel drill bits, precision screw taps, robust wire thread inserts, and the essential installation and tang break-off tools. Available in the most critical metric sizes, M5, M6, M8, M10, and M12, this kit is tailored to meet the diverse needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Versatility is the name of the game with the 150-PC Helicoil Thread Repair Kit. Whether you're working with aluminum, iron, carbon steel, bronze, or magnesium, this universal rethreading toolkit is engineered to handle it all. It's perfect for automotive repairs, plumbing projects, and beyond, making it an invaluable addition to any workshop. Durability and strength are at the heart of this kit. The high-speed steel drill bits ensure superior handling and precision, while the 304 stainless steel inserts offer unparalleled strength and longevity. You can trust this kit to deliver outstanding performance time and time again. Efficiency meets precision with the 150-PC Helicoil Thread Repair Kit. The 135 degrees drill bits are designed to quickly and accurately create the perfect space for your inserts, ensuring a seamless fit. The break-off tools then cleanly finish the job, leaving you with perfectly repaired threads ready for use. Organizing your tools has never been easier. The rugged blow-molded case included with this kit keeps everything in its place, making storage and transportation a breeze. No more rummaging around for the right tool. Everything you need is neatly packed and ready to go. In summary, the 150-PC Helicoil Thread Repair Kit is your go-to solution for rethreading needs. With its complete set of high-quality tools, wide-ranging applications, and easy organization, it's a must-have for anyone serious about efficient and effective thread repair. Elevate your toolkit with this top-tier repair kit and experience the ease and precision of professional-grade tools at your fingertips. Introducing the remarkable number 3 on our list of best-selling thread repair kits on Amazon, the Metric Helicoil Thread Repair Kit. Packed with 131 pieces of precision-engineered tools, this kit is your ultimate solution for restoring and replacing stripped or damaged internal screw threads. Imagine the power of robust performance at your fingertips. This helicoil set is meticulously crafted to ensure long-lasting results. Whether you're working on bolts, motor plugs, or spark applications, each tool is designed to withstand the rigors of demanding repair tasks, offering you reliability and durability you can trust. Ease of use is a hallmark of this kit. Even if you're new to thread repair, the user-friendly design ensures that both amateurs and professionals can achieve perfect results. From tap wrenches to bit cylinder insertion tools, rethreading becomes a seamless and straightforward process. Consider the convenience of an all-inclusive toolkit. The premium 131-piece thread repair kit includes everything you need for a wide range of automotive and engine repairs. High-speed steel drills, precise taps, durable helicoil inserts, and efficient chaser tools, all in one comprehensive package. This versatility makes it perfect for various repair tasks, whether you're dealing with external restorer screws, sleeve cleaners, or spark plug rethreading. But what about organization? This kit comes in a durable steel carrying case designed to keep your tools perfectly organized and easily transportable. Whether you're moving from job to job or simply storing your tools at home, this sturdy case ensures that everything stays in its place, ready for action whenever you are. In essence, the metric Helicoil Thread Repair Kit is a blend of strength, efficiency, and convenience. It's engineered to make your repair tasks easier, faster, and more reliable. Elevate your toolkit with this top-tier repair kit and experience the unparalleled precision and durability it offers. Number 3 on our countdown, but number 1 in your toolbox. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling thread repair kits on Amazon? If so, give a thumbs up for a job well done, hit that subscribe button like a pro, and ring the bell so you're always in the loop with the latest tools. Unveiling our number 2 pick in the countdown of top-selling thread repair kits on Amazon, the Orion MotorTech Thread Repair Kit. This 131-piece marvel is engineered for precision, performance, and durability, offering a complete solution for all your rethreading needs. Let's dive into what makes this kit a standout choice. With 110 thread inserts, 10 installation and break-off tools, 5 screw taps, 5 drill bits, and a handy hex wrench, it provides everything you need in the most essential metric sizes: M5, M6, M8, M10, and M12. This comprehensive collection ensures you're equipped to handle any thread repair task with ease. Durability is at the core of the Orion MotorTech kit. The high-quality steel used in the drill bits and screw taps is heat-treated to a rock-solid HRC of 50-60, while the 304 stainless steel thread inserts promise exceptional strength and longevity. This is a kit built to endure, delivering consistent, reliable performance over time. Ease of use is another highlight. The 135 degrees drill bits are designed to minimize the pressure needed for drilling, making your job smoother and more efficient. Coupled with rubber-coated installation and tang break-off tools, you'll experience a comfortable, secure grip throughout your work, reducing fatigue and enhancing precision. Versatility is key with this repair kit. It's engineered to restore stripped, damaged, or worn threads across a range of materials, including aluminum, iron, carbon steel, bronze, and magnesium. Whether you're tackling automotive repairs, machinery maintenance, or general threading tasks, this kit is up to the challenge. And let's not forget convenience. The included carry case keeps all your tools neatly organized and easily transportable. Moving from one job to the next has never been simpler, ensuring that you can focus on the task at hand without worrying about misplaced tools or disorganized equipment. In summary, the Orion MotorTech Thread Repair Kit stands out as a powerhouse of performance, durability, and convenience. With its comprehensive range of high-quality tools and practical storage solutions, it's a must-have for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. Elevate your rethreading game with this top-rated kit and experience the difference for yourself. Ending our countdown with a bang, we present the number 1 best-selling thread repair kit on Amazon, the BILITOOLS M6X1 Zero Thread Repair Kit. This standout kit is designed to repair damaged or stripped internal threads, providing a solution that not only restores but strengthens your threads for enhanced performance. What sets the BILITOOLS kit apart? Its versatility is unmatched. Suitable for all metals, composites, polymers, and various other materials, this repair kit excels in both automotive and plumbing applications. Whether you're fixing up machinery or handling pipe repairs, it's engineered to deliver robust, reliable results across a broad spectrum of materials. The secret to its effectiveness lies in the high-quality components. The 304 stainless steel thread inserts offer unparalleled durability, allowing for stronger, longer-lasting threads. This means you can apply higher torque to weaker metals without worrying about thread failure. Coupled with the 135 degrees apex angle of the twist drills, which ensures superior metal penetration and efficiency, This kit is built for precision and performance, included in the BILITOOLS thread repair. Kits are a range of essential tools: an HSS drill, tap, thread inserts, installation tool, and brake pin tool. Every part of this kit is meticulously organized in a robust iron case designed for effortless transport and secure storage between jobs. You can take it from site to site with ease, keeping all your tools neatly arranged and ready for action. Before purchasing, a quick reminder: ensure that the M6X1 zero size fits your needs. If you're uncertain, refer to the provided size guide in the images to confirm you're selecting the right kit for your tasks. In summary, the BILITOOLS M6X1 Zero Thread Repair Kit is the pinnacle of thread repair solutions, offering unmatched strength, versatility, and convenience. Elevate your repair capabilities with this top-rated kit and experience the ultimate in efficiency and reliability, the best of the best, now right at your fingertips. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling thread repair kits on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.